Hello everybody, how are you? Hello everybody, how are you? It is time to start our day. It is time to work and play. Hello everybody, how are you? Hi everyone, welcome back for Monday morning circle time. Monday morning, I hear a sound there. Monday morning. Those two words both start with the same letter, which happens to be our letter of the week, and that is this letter right here. Anybody know what it is? If you do, go ahead and shout it out. What's that letter? It's the letter M. Uppercase M, lowercase m. We'll come back to that in a minute and do some stuff with that in a few minutes. But first, you know what, guys? Today is our last Monday morning circle time of this entire year, of the year 2020. Last one. The next time we do one, it will be the year 2021 because we will have had Christmas and New Year's. So, as always, with the last circle time of the month is another M word, we're going to look at everything on here one more time. Let's start with our color. Let me grab my pointer here. Our color this month was this one. Can you tell me what color that is? Is that blue? Is it green? Purple, red, yellow? It's yellow, isn't it? That's the color yellow, and there is the word yellow right there. Next door to our color yellow is our shape of the month. What shape have we been talking about? We read books about it. We talked about it in a different way this month as well. This is our shape of a star, and we talked about the importance of the star when we talked about Jesus's birth. That is the star shape, and there's the word star. Okay, usually all the way up until this point we have had 3 numbers every month, but now we just have 2. Last week we looked at this one and we wrote it. This is the number 9, and the word 9. Today we're going to talk about the number 10. There it is, and there's the word 10, and we're going to practice writing that in a few minutes. So we did color, shape, numbers. We talked a little bit about our letter, the letter M. We said what sound it makes. Monday morning, month. That makes the sound like good. Doesn't it sound the same? You put your lips together and you say for M. And look at what picture it has with it. Can you see what that is? Those are magnets. Magnet starts with the letter M, and I have something here that I want to show you that that is magnetic, I should say. I have a bottle, and inside I have jingle bells. You ready to hear them? Now, I have a magnet wand. If I put that magnet wand by the jingle bells, what do you predict is going to happen? Do you think nothing is going to happen? They'll just sit there. Do you think I can make them move a little bit? Move is another M word. Let's see, if I put it up here, nothing happened, did it? If I put it in the middle, nothing happened. If I put it down here, I caught something. Check it out. Look at this. The magnet wand, let me bring it closer to you. The magnet wand is pulling those jingle bells all the way up to the top. I can make them move without ever touching them. Now watch what happens when I let go of my magnet wand. They fall back down to the bottom. Let me try and see if I can get this red one. Let me catch him. Oh, I got 3. There went 1. I got the red one. Now, let me try it one more time. I'm going to see if I can get a lot of them at one time. You ready? Let's see how many I can pull up. Look, just 3 again, and then they fell. So this is a magnet wand. If you have one at home, you can try and see if different things are magnetic. These jingle bells are magnetic, so the magnet wand pulls them up. Let's see if my pointer is magnetic. Let's see if it'll stick together. No, it doesn't do anything. That's not magnetic. So with your grown-up's permission, you can go around with your magnet wand and find things that are magnetic and things that aren't. That is an M word. All right, back to our concepts back here. We have yellow, star, M, 9, and 10. And of course, our month is the month of December. And look, tucked right into the middle of the word there is an M, a lowercase m. We are going to be finishing up the season of fall. This is our last circle time with fall. When we come back in January, we'll have a different season that we'll be talking about. And it has been very cloudy and cool and even rainy this weekend by us. So let's see what day of the week it is. Let's sing our days of the week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, we said it several times already. Today is Monday. It is Monday morning circle time. So today is Monday, December 14th. That's how we say our date, December 14th. If today is Monday, that means that yesterday was Sunday and tomorrow will be Tuesday. All right, that is our board there to go over. Now, before we move on, we are going to practice writing our letter and writing our numbers. So let me slide this over here. And you'll see that once again, I already put my M's that I found on here. So I'm going to practice writing it with you, and then I have a very special picture to add to our board, or to add to my paper today. Okay, an M, an uppercase M. I'm always telling you that we start at the top, but sometimes there are exceptions. Sometimes we break the rules a little bit. This is one of those times. This one we start at the bottom, and the word mountain starts with the letter M. We can pretend that this is a mountain that we're going to climb. So we start at the bottom of the mountain. You always start at the bottom of a mountain, right? And you climb straight up to the top. Then you go down just a little bit, halfway down the mountain, back up, oops, and then straight down the other side. That's how you make an uppercase M. Now the lowercase m, I am going to start at the top. And I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to go back up. And this time, instead of making a straight line, I'm going to curve it a little bit, come down, back up, and curve it around again. Okay, on our lines, we start at the bottom line, and we go up the mountain, down to the middle, back up to the top, and straight on down. Uppercase M. Our lowercase m, we're going to start right in the middle. And middle, we have a lot of M words. Middle is an M word as well. We start at the middle, we go down, back up, and bump on the line to come down. Back up and bump on the line to come down again. There's our lowercase m. So here are the M's that I found. And then, like I said, I have a very special, important to me picture today to put on here. This is a very old picture, and it's pretty faded at this point. This is my beautiful Molly that you have seen before with me. Her name is Molly, which starts with the letter M. So Molly gets to go right there. My beautiful Molly. All right, so that was our M. Let's move on to the number 10. And I've already glued my 10 that I found on there, but we're going to write it, and then we're going to put something on there to represent 10. So 10, we talked about this last week. A 10 has 2 digits. It doesn't have just one, it has 2. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they were all just by themselves. The 10, it takes 2 numbers to write it. It takes a 1, up and then straight down, and I like to put a line across the bottom too. And it takes a 0, which is just an oval shape, a big stretched out circle. A 1 and a 0 standing side by side says 10. So when we write them, we start at the top, go straight down to the bottom line, go across. Now for the oval, we start at the top and we go down to the bottom line, and then we bounce back up to the top line, and that's 10. So when I was looking for 10 of something to put on our picture today, I thought, I'm built in with 10 of something. God gave me 10 fingers. I have 5 on each hand. So I'm actually going to, my hands are bigger than yours, so you guys might do better with this, but I'm still going to put my hand on here, and I'm going to trace. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's only halfway there. I don't know if I can trace it this way. I'm not used to writing with this hand, but I'm going to try. You ready? Let me trace these 5 fingers. 6, 7, this is hard. 8, 9, 10. Well, that's a big mess, but my 10 fingers are up there because I have 10 fingers. So that's what I use for my picture today. So you guys can trace your fingers if you want and count yours, or you can go find something that has 10 of it. Before, you know what, I've got 2 more things to do with you, but I just realized I forgot something. When we were talking about our letter M, I forgot to show you the sign language for the M. The sign language is you take 1, 2, 3 fingers. Can you show me 3 fingers? Okay, take those 3 fingers, and then you're going to take your thumb, and you're going to kind of put it right between the 3 fingers and your pinky. Kind of stretch a little, and you just go down like this. So your 3 fingers go over your thumb, and your pinky's on kind of left out on the side here. So you have 1, 2, 3, thumb, pinky. That's a sign language M. Nice job. All right, I have 2 more things that have to do with the letter M for our Monday morning circle time, and then we'll say goodbye. The first thing is I have a tub here, and it is filled with Christmas colored rice, red and green. Inside of my tub, I have hid some magnetic letters and some magnetic numbers. And I'm just gonna dig for a few and have you guys tell me what they are, and then I'll put them on my magnet board. Let me grab that here. Okay, let's get this set up. And I'm gonna dig into my tub of rice here, and let me see what I find. And you guys tell me. These are magnetic letters, so that means that they'll stick to my magnet board here. Let me see, I'm gonna dig a little. What have I found? Oh, well, this is appropriate to start with. What letter did I find here? The very first letter we ever learned about, the letter A. I'm gonna put them right there. Let me dig some more. I have found the letter M. That's our letter of the week. That was a lucky find. Let's put him over there. I'm gonna have quite the rice mess to clean up here, aren't I? Let's see if I can find some numbers. What letter is this one? H. Very good. Say them nice and loud when I pull them out, okay? Help me hear what you're saying. Let's see. What is this next one? Oh, can you see it okay when I hold it like that? Let's try it like that. F. That is F. I still haven't found any numbers. I'm sure I put numbers in here. Oh, I found one. Okay, what number is this? These are letters so far. That help us say and write words. Numbers help us know how many. They help us count. What is this number? The number 7. I'm gonna put him right there. We'll put the numbers down there. This one's on top. I'll take this. I got another number. What's that one? 2. Okay, we'll do 2 more and then we'll move on. What is this letter? B. 1 more. Let's dig, and then I'll find the rest later. Let me see here. I got another letter. I got the letter E. The letter E. Okay, you guys, since it is Monday morning circle time and it is the letter M, I want to do an M activity with you. We're going to get up and we are going to move our bodies. M starts the word move. So we're going to do a movement activity together in front of my Christmas tree. So all of you guys get up and get ready to move your bodies. Maybe stretch a little. Stretch your arms out. Ooh, real wide. Oh, reach them real up high. Go to one side. Go to the other side. Shake your hands. Twist a little. Okay, do you feel ready? You feel warmed up? Let's meet in front of my Christmas tree and we will do some movement activities together. Okay guys, you've warmed up your bodies, you stretched, you moved. Now we're gonna get up and we're gonna move for M week, for movement Monday morning circle time. I have a spinner here and on it are some different activities for us to do. We have spin, we have hop on one foot, jump, run, jumping jacks, march, and balance on one foot. So I'm going to spin the spinner and we're going to see what we get and we're going to do it together. Are you ready? Everybody standing up? Here we go. We got jumping jacks. Let me set my spinner down to the side. Okay, I'll hold it. To do jumping jacks, you're going to jump your legs out, and while you jump your legs out, you're also going to lift your arms up in the air. Then you're going to jump your legs together and put your arms down. Let's just practice our legs first. Ready? Legs out and in, and out and in. Now practice your arms. Up and down and up and down. Can you do all that together? You ready? Let's try 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Good job. All right, let's do another one. Let's see what else we get for Monday morning movement time. Marching. Okay, marching, you just march your legs. Pick your knees up nice and high and march. Let's do 10, because that's our number for the day. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Clap for yourself. You're doing great. Next one we got run. Kind of like marching, but a little faster. This time, let's count to 9. That was our number last week. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, another one. Hop on one foot. Let's do 8 hops on our right foot. Can you lift your right foot up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do 7 on our left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We did run already, so I'm going to respin it. Let's see if we get something new. Balance on one foot. You guys can pick up one foot and just hold it. Let's count to 10 while we hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anybody fall over? Did you do okay? Let's pick up the other foot and we'll count backwards. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll spin it one more time. Do one more movement before we say goodbye. Spin. We end on a good one. Can you spin 3 times with me one way, and then we'll spin 3 times the other way. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now spin the other way to unwind. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good job, you guys. Thanks for moving with me on our Monday morning circle movement time. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.